guys, my name is Aaron. As you might be like, hey Aaron, why aren't you inside? Like, today, it's not that special though, it's not July. But, you guys know what this is? If you said it was a PlayStation VR headset, you're right. We're gonna be doing, I don't know how many ways to break. It's not July 20th. I'm sorry, guys. I'll be still posting videos, and C won't be in the July special. Go away.
I'm in the April special.
Yeah, she's in next year's April.
No, you.
Oh, Amelia. By the way, I need that. Thank you, Amelia. Give it back now. Shut the door, please. No. Sorry about. Stop. Sorry about that. That was a little bit of annoyingness, but the only tool that we'll be using, we'll smash it with this 50 times. I know it sounds weird, but let's go to the mom. Just kidding. I'm not a real YouTuber. Just see. Just gonna set up the camera. Amelia! I'm not dealing with this. She's always annoying. She's annoyinger than you think. You might be like, Aaron, why are you doing this? Well, it's because it doesn't even work, guys. So you might be like, Aaron, still, you could just get a new one. Well, my PlayStation doesn't work. I'm not going to be smashing that because it's too big. My parents will notice. Right. Let's see if it's in position.
Can I just hold it for you?
No. I'm a YouTuber. Sorry. Get away! I'm trying to film a video.
You're always recording.
I forgot. I'm not counting. Sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now, oh, thank you. Wait, guys, we got a new one.
It didn't even show. By the way, he got a rare weapon. See?
Yeah,
there we go.
Amelia, you can be my cameraman when it's July.
July is tomorrow.
What number were we at? Comment below because I forgot. 25.
Okay.
26. 27. 28. 29.
So far, it's a bit of distraction.
40. 50.
Okay, what do you have to say?
70. 80. What the? Alright, I'm just gonna be smashing this however I want because I forgot what number we were.
Like 30 something.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, now we're up to 40.
Also, guys, I have a switch. Yeah, this. It's fast.
Do you want me to show you the switch? Do you want me to show them the switch?
No.
Alright. Okay, you.
Okay. Look at that. Yeah.
Pretty bad.
Pretty beat up if you ask me.
That was very far. About there.
I literally went like straight up batty.
Aaron, aren't you doing the winter special?
When's the special? It's gonna be in July, idiot.
I'm doing the autumn special, but in our birthday month. Yours starts tomorrow.
No, it's in July.
Yeah, July's tomorrow.
Yes?
Yeah.
Wait. No, don't do that. Don't. We'll be right back on a short notice. Let's look at it. Short notice.
There he is, grabbing a frisbee. And now he is grabbing his very old scooter. Right there.
The only thing I could think of to destroy it, I don't know how long.
And he has his
video
bat.
would be.
So
So comment down what you see in 31. Comment down.
The 30th. No, it's the 30th. See what he did there?
I'm a destruction YouTuber.
You're basically playing up 1, 2, 4. You're a dork.
Don't make me throw this on you. This is where I get to do my part. Alright guys, now it's next up. This move. It's gonna be dangerous. Alright, next up, hitting the camera. I'm sorry, but that was a failure. Here comes Amelia, the camera girl.
Please do not attempt any of these tricks at home.
Because we're probably going to be in timeout at this any point. Don't try.
This is unscripted. This is not a script. We did not plan this at all.
Yeah, because we never planned. We're the Ram siblings. And this is what we do.
One person would do distraction. When the other person would do just like randomness. We haven't introduced ourselves. Anyways, this is Aaron.
Yes.
Get down.
Oh, it's, by the way, Aaron is in the first title of the channel. And this is Amelia. So he's a very nice girl when it comes to... when it comes to it, back to the camera, please.
Okay.
She's now my camera girl, but when it's my turn, I have to be holding her iPad. Right now we're filming on the iPad 8.
No, my iPad's iPad 8. Yeah.
My iPad's the iPad 8. What is the iPad 7? I don't know.
Okay, whatever. So you can see some destruction going. Like I said earlier, do not.
My iPad is bigger screen.
Can I turn it on to flip it to me?
No.
Please do not attempt any of these at home. Actually, I can't tell you to do whatever you want.
Yeah, but just don't attempt these. I know.
You could just write.
Do not attempt this. This is very, very dangerous.
You don't even have to.
That's very
Let's see it so far. Okay.
Yo. Alright.
Very destroyed.
It's not destroyed. Let's get the scooter out.
Grab the scooter.
Alright. I'm just gonna put this inside.
Anyways, yes, I'm Amelia and this is Aaron. We're just like
Let's
this.
get back to the video.
Okay, back to the video.
This is what it's called. The scooter hammer. Because I don't have a hammer.
That's basically a hammer shock. Like, you know what I mean?
Ah! Oh!
No, what do you call that?
I got an idea.
riding over a hammer, I shall say. But yeah, I'm Amelia. I have no idea what to say. Yeah, just don't attempt this. Yeah, that's the clouds.
We're professionals.
Pretty dumb. And can they see your actual face? Yeah, that's him.
Oh, the video coming.
Okay. Let's go in. Hey, by the way, Aaron, because we're in, do you want to put house tour?
No, we'll do that later.
House tour is time for a different video.
Amelia, get your book back.
Oh, I need to get my shoes.
It doesn't matter.
Can I just set the camera down?
Just, just don't. I'm not gonna spoil the video. Next up, running the damn thing over. Do not attempt this, please.
I will just be going for a short time.
Does it show? Because hopefully, otherwise the video is. Oh, God. Sorry about that. I'll get it back. Here's it after the run over test. Next up, iPad time. Sorry about that. Just got very, very aggressive. Here comes Amelia.